This is Henry Minry. Hope everybody out in Facebooky land is having a good Saturday afternoon. Just want to give you a little shout out. We haven't been doing as many videos lately over this past week other than the old weather one because we've been kind of busy with little Levi and little Jefferson. Oh, me pause. Me and Oak did not know there was so much to do with two little pups. Oh, me pause. The girls help us out. Of course, Mama J is the lead helper. But, oh, me pause. These two little boys keep us busy. We can't get our own snake wrangling and gator wrangling in private undercover special investigations for watching these two. Oh, me pause. Little Levi, little Jefferson, they're into everything. They need this, need that. They're hungry. They want to go firefly wrangling. They want to go snake wrangling. They want to do this, do that. They want to go in one of the rides. Oh, me pause. I can't get a thing done. Can't get a thing done. Well, so that's what we've been up to. We've been very busy. So, as things kind of settle down and we get this under better control, we'll get us a little bit more videos and our investigation things so you can see what we've been up to. So we've still been getting a lot of things done. We just haven't been getting it out on here on the Facebooky. Still got some land sharkies and some land gators that we've been spotting, and we've been talking to Prank about them over the phone, sending him texts with pictures and stuff like that. Well, we better finish up with these little ones out here. Won't be too long. Mom Jay's going to have dinner ready, and I may need me a nap. This is exhausting with these two little ones. I'll talk at you later. And we're a bunch of boy dogs. Woof, woof.